There isn't a single fixed number of Klover points that unlocks every cash advance, because the points required depend on the advance option and the current rules shown inside the Klover app. By the end of this video, you'll know where to find the exact point requirement for your account, how Klover uses points, and what to do if you don't have enough. If you're trying to get a Klover cash advance, open the app and go to the Advance section. Before you confirm an advance, Klover displays the current requirements for your account, including whether points are needed and how many are required for the option you've selected. That's the most accurate place to check because requirements can change. If you don't have enough points, you'll need to earn additional points through the activities currently available in the Klover app. Open the Rewards or Points section to see which tasks are eligible. Completing those activities increases your points balance and helps you qualify for advances that require them. Keep in mind that earning points and qualifying for a cash advance are not always the same thing. Klover also reviews factors such as your connected bank account, account status, and eligibility before approving an advance. Having enough points doesn't automatically guarantee that an advance will be available. If the app says you have enough points but still won't let you request an advance, check that your bank account is connected properly, and that there aren't any account notifications asking you to complete identity verification or update your information. Missing account requirements can prevent the advance from being processed. It's also a good idea to keep the Klover app updated. Using the latest version helps ensure that your points balance, eligibility status, and advance options are displayed correctly. After updating, close the app completely, reopen it, and check the advance section again. If your points balance looks incorrect, or you believe you've earned enough points but the app shows otherwise, review your points history first. If the issue remains, contact Klover support through the app.e. Include your account email, screenshots of your current points balance, and the advance screen showing the requirement. That information helps support review your account more efficiently. To recap, there isn't one universal point requirement for every Klover cash advance. Check the advance screen for your account, earn points through eligible activities if needed, and make sure your account remains fully verified and connected. Those steps will give you the most accurate information about your current advance eligibility. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more Klover tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and app guides.